Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Herbie with Half a Mil Rebuilds. We back with another video. Today we're gonna be checking out my boy BJ SRT Grand Cherokee. He just bought it and he crashed it already. So now we're gonna check it out and let's see how it looks and how it runs. And let's do some speed tests and let's go take it to the body shop and get this thing fixed up. So he just picked up this SRT. I was joking around, he didn't crash it. He bought it a little bit banged up, but he bought a new bumper, crazy new bumper for this SRT. And he bought a fender, so we're gonna take it to the body shop now. We're gonna see how it is, test it out a little bit, and show you guys what it could do. Let's go.
You feel that, right?
Yeah, I mean,
now you feel that? Look. You don't feel anything right now while you turning?
I feel a little something when I just reverse it. Tires is just big. This is crazy. Feels good though. Will feel good. Paddle shifters and everything. Let's see. Woo. It's just like it's like crazy high off the floor. It's crazy. Sound good too. Seatbelt on, safety first, guys. It's hot. So AC on. SRT Grand Cherokee. Got it's tinted, the front windshield? No. Look a little dark. Good though, it feel good. I'm gonna take it to the body shop. These my boys over here and see if they can get the new bumper painted and a new fender and just paint it and just get it to match perfectly. We don't want no half cheap job. We want this thing done professionally. So I wonder how it sounds outside though. Like, I know it sounds crazy.
You gotta do some drive-bys.
Yeah, we gotta do some drive-bys. Let's go, man. See, if I had one of these, man. See, the cops be pulling me over left and right. That's why I'm trying to chill right now, you know? Yeah, man. I'm trying to think of what SRT I want to get, you know? So, he got the Grand Cherokee. What you guys think? Should I get like a Challenger? Should I get a Charger, SRT Charger? What you guys think, man? It sounds good.
You gotta put it in track mode soon.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in track mode. We're gonna get that. I don't know, like, let's see. Hopefully, I don't know. Because we're going straight, the body shop right down the block, so we're gonna see what they're talking. Try to get it in there today. But it's so loud sometimes that you can't really hear, you know, like to listen. You know what I mean? If something's wrong, you can't really listen because it's just so loud. But you can feel though. You gotta just take your time and just listen carefully. Got the little burble going on. Let me slow down. With you, man. Yo, what's up, man?
How are you?
How you doing, man?
I know, man.
What's up, man?
Chilling, bro. We want to get this thing painted, man.
The paint?
I want to get the hood painted. We got a bumper back here, and we got a fender. I want to paint the nose, probably.
Go. Paint the hood. I gotta come back.
Paint the bumper. I got a new bumper for this. So I want to paint the bumper. I want to paint the hood, and I guess paint the fender so it could blend.
Yeah, but they're ready.
Huh?
But they're ready.
Blend it, yeah. Cuánto. Dímelo.
I need to paint the noise anyway.
Huh?
I need to paint the noise.
You gotta need to paint the nose. So the two fenders, the front,
And
the new front bumper, and the hood.
For you, maybe $5,000.
Hey. That's too much,
Hey,
man.
bro, come on now,
You know
dog.
I'm broke, man.
Come on, man.
Yo, how much for real? Good price. I need a good price, man.
You had your own, right?
Yeah, new bumper, new fender too. I got new bumper, new fender.
Beer, right?
Yeah, it's like, no, it's white, regular white.
You sure?
Yeah, no pearl in there.
No pearl?
Nah, just white. Just get the color code and match it. Make sure it match.
No.
You know, I know you
we
can.
can blend it over here. Nobody's gonna have that.
Yeah. Can I drop it off today?
I'm painting over here and inside, outside?
Inside, outside on the bumper, on the hood?
No.
No, just the outside. Just the outside. And, just make sure you get the edges and stuff like that. Oh no, yeah. I got Can't do no better than that?
Huh?
No better than that?
No, because for this fucking car over here, you know, go fucking clear and go paint.
Yeah, I know.
You paint the chip paint over here and trim on over here, they paint the same later.
Yeah. I don't know. Me talking over my partner.
Huh?
But
Everything
that
is
sound
good, then
That
it's
sound
good.
Sound good, but can I drop it today? And how long it gonna take?
Today,
I'm gonna drop it today, and then you just tell me when it's done.
maybe in 3 months.
Man, you crazy.
Right over here, you pick it out to Tuesday in the morning.
Yeah. Tuesday in the morning?
Yeah.
Alright. Get on this hill. That's nice, bro. Just got the car at the body shop. Everything is going to be perfectly done, completely perfect. Watch when it's done. You're going to see how good it looks. Show you guys some before and after pictures. We got a crazy bumper. What bumper is that, V?
The 2017 bumper.
2017 bumper. So we're going to convert it to the 2017 bumper and just paint it all fresh white and just gloss back black accents on it. Crazy, right? Pick up a little bit, drop it, got the tissue flying. Alright y'all, so we checking out right now. We done with the SRT video for today. We got it at the body shop now, so when it's finished, Monday, Tuesday, around there, a few days, we'll come back and check it out and we'll show you the finished product of how it looks. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. Basically, a few people, I know there's a few people that watch and don't like and comment and subscribe, but if you like what you see and you like the content, make sure you don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Thanks y'all. Peace.